Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will compare Magnesium versus Rubidium in Minecraft. These popular mods are designed to boost your game's performance, offering smoother gameplay and higher frame rates. They achieve this by replacing the default rendering engine, which can be quite demanding. Understanding their differences will help you choose the best one for your setup. Magnesium is a fantastic choice if you're using the Fabric mod loader. It's renowned for its deep customization options, allowing you to fine-tune your graphics settings for optimal performance and visual quality. Its broad compatibility with other fabric-based modifications makes it a versatile option for many players. On the other hand, Rubidium is the go-to optimization mod for those on the Forge mod loader. It offers comparable performance improvements to Magnesium, ensuring a much smoother Minecraft experience. Rubidium's strength lies in its excellent integration within the Forge ecosystem, making it a natural fit for most Forge mod packs. Deciding between Magnesium and Rubidium largely depends on your chosen Minecraft mod loader. If you use Fabric, Magnesium is your best bet. For Forge, Rubidium is the way to go. Always consider your existing mod pack to ensure seamless integration and avoid conflicts. For other great deals and to make meal prep easy with leak-proof containers, check out the links in the description below.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.